So we are discussing about advanced PHP and its properties, methods, class objects, and last day we have discussed about inheritance, and today in this video we're going to discuss about method or property overriding. So let's remind what we have done in our last video. We have created two classes, one is base and another is the child class. From the child class we are accessing the properties from base class. So let's take an example. Suppose I am taking an example that is the class animal, okay, and here I will create some properties and some methods for animal class, and we will create another class that is suppose dog. So dog is the name of the class. So here we will use the property of animal class. So let's extend. So we have already discussed about what is extends actually doing. Basically extends is the keyword to inherit our parent class from the child class. So here we need to write the name of the parent class. So if we have any properties or methods inside the animal class, we can access from the dog class. Okay, so let's take an class property for animal class. So here I am writing public and my property name is suppose the nature $nature, and here I am declaring the nature of animal, basically the wild. So just write here wild, and here I am creating another class methods that is public function and place. Okay, so basically for animal they basically like to live in a forest. So I just returning a statement that is animal like forest. Okay, that's it. And here I have already created dog class and it extends the animal. That means if we create any object of this dog class, we can get the access of the public method and properties from the animal class. So let's create an object from the child class. So write an object. Suppose I am creating $obj is the name of the object, and use the new dog. Basically here new is the keyword to create any object of any class. So here dog is the class name, and we need to write this parenthesis to create any object, and here we will call the property from animal class. So here just write the name of the property nature. Okay, and here just write beer to display in the next line, and same way we will call the functions also. So here write public, write object name $obj, and name of the method is place. So write down here place, and same way we are concatenating beer tag to display all these things in the new line. Okay, so if we now run this, so what we can see, so just refresh this. So here we need to write the echo here to display our output. So write here echo, and now run this. So here we can see the wild. Basically this is the nature property from the animal class, and this is animal like forest. So it is coming from the place. So both are coming from the parent class. So one is the property and another is the method. So if we have any other methods for dog, suppose here I am creating a public function, and the name of the function is nature. Okay, so here we'll write the nature for dog. So basically nature is the dog class method. So just write here nature, and here write I am faithful. Okay, so write down here, and if we call this $obj, that is the object name, and write the method name is nature, and write here the beer tag to display in the new line. So just go to the browser and refresh this. We can see the wild animal like forest and I am faithful. Basically I am faithful is the property from the dog class. So basically nature is the dog's nature, and the place and this nature property is the animal's property. But we can see if we considering the class is dog, these two things are not matching with the dog's property, because dog is not a wild and it's not like forest. So how to display dog's nature and dog's place? So just very simple, if we override our parent class we can do it easily. So just redeclare, suppose public function and place. So here we can write the place, this is the method of dog class, and to return a statement for dog class. So just write here return I don't like forest. Okay, and in a similar way if we redeclare the properties like public and dollar nature and here write I am pet. So basically if we just go to the browser and run this showing the pet and I don't like forest, and it is exactly matching with the dog's property. So basically we are overriding the parent class property and methods in the child class, and we can display the output from here. Okay, so in same way now I want to declare another properties. Suppose I am declaring the access specifier as protected. So and right here legs. So basically all the animal have, maximum of animal have the 4 legs. Okay, so I am just writing the legs, and this is also matches with dog, so we don't need to override this property. So I just want to display this. So right here echo $obj and legs, so we can access the legs from this object. So now run this, so we can see the fatal error cannot access protected property legs. So this is why we are using the protected variables. So when we discuss about access specifier we are discussing about public and private properties. But what happen if we declare any properties or declare any methods as protected? So next day we will discuss about these things. For now, if you have any queries about method overriding or property overriding, please comment in the below comment section. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day. Bye.